Hello stock traders, I hope all of you are having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to control your emotion while stock trading. All I ask in return is that you hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you like content like this, please consider subscribing and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. Also, if you are an investor or aspire to be one and you are looking for killer tips each and every day on the market, then please check out the link we have in the description down below to our Patreon group, where we discuss and have Discords attached, all kinds of stock strategies each and every day. Now, I am not a financial advisor. Of course, you need to do your own due diligence whenever investing in any kind of stock. And this video is my opinions only. In this video, I'm going to start by reading this fact that I have from the internet. Here we go. It appears that 90% of all people who trade stocks that are retail traders do so unsuccessfully or break even. 80% lose money, 10% break even, and only 10% shows that they make money consistently. My vision is to stop the madness. This is crazy. If a farmer was to work all year and yield such a result each and every time, they would stop farming. So many investors they lose. I guarantee you those 80% are losing because they have no strategy. Now, I don't pretend to know everything, but in 2019, I stock traded and had a 232% gain. In 2020, I had over a 1400% gain. And so far in 2021, right at the midpoint of the year, I'm up 171%. That does not happen by accident. I work very, very hard at it, and I have specific strategies each and every day that I use. I never buy a stock without a stock strategy in mind before purchasing it. And you guessed it, having a strategy is the key to controlling your emotion while stock trading. This is a continuation video from my previous video of the 3 things you need to be a successful trader. I get asked this all the time, Ray, how do you stay so calm while stock trading? With any stock that I have a detailed plan of how I plan on trading that stock before the market even comes into it. I've said it before and I'll say it again, you have to have a plan. You have to have a strategy before you purchase any stock, and that stock has to fit that strategy exactly. I start with my stock strategies, and if a stock fits all the rules that are within that strategy, then I purchase it. When developing a plan for any strategy that you have, you not only need to have rules for why you would enter, but you also need to have rules of why you would exit. You have to know what to do if a stock turns against you. I studied with SMB Capital and was able to work with some great minds like Steve Spencer and Mike Bellafiore. If you are looking for great tips on how to trade the stock market, I highly recommend Mike Bellafiore's book, One Great Trade. So I have a playbook that's filled with all of my different strategies and all the rules and everything that I have. And this is that book right here. And I'm going to read some of these strategy titles for you. First of all, we have the PDUFA run-up strategy, the insider swing play, the golden strategy, the changing fundamentals play, the squeeze play, my dividend strategy, strangle options strategy, phase data run-up strategy, and there are lots and lots more, and each one has a specific plan for when I'm going to trade them. When you have a plan and it's detailed, you never panic. Even if I trade a stock and I have a loser of a stock and not a good trade, as long as I followed the plan of that strategy, I still feel good. Most times you will come out ahead, and that is how you have consistent gains in the stock market. Not by hearing from your buddy, oh, you should go buy this stock because I think it's going to move up for this reason. You don't trade stocks, you trade strategies if you want to be successful. Another vital thing to do that helps me out each and every day, and this is what I do, I track every trade. I write down why I entered it, why I went into that stock and what strategy it had, what I entered it at and what I was looking at, why I exited the stock and the result from the trade. And then I write notes that help me to kind of understand and help me internalize why that trade was either successful or not successful. This helps me each and every day to sharpen the knife. Iron sharpens iron, and this is what you have to do to be successful. And for every strategy, I'm very critical. I look at it and I calculate what the win rate is on it. I calculate what the average gain per pick is. For example, right now I know that I have an 82% win rate on my PDUFA run-up strategy with an average gain gain per pick of 9% so far in 2021. I know that my insider swing play over the last 5 years has averaged a 70% win rate with an average gain per pick of 3% per stock pick. You might say 3%, that's not impressive. We're talking a 3 to 5 day trade. It's very impressive. A football or basketball coach that goes into halftime and makes absolutely no adjustments is an absolute horrible coach. You have to make adjustments to help you to be more successful. That comes with tracking your trades each and every day. I am also constantly evaluating and looking what the overall market is doing. If you are not tracking the SPY and the Elliott wave and you have no idea what I'm talking about, you need to change that immediately. You will know a market correction before it happens. You will have an idea of the season coming up. And a stock strategy only works until it doesn't. For example, last year the PDUFA run-up strategy just stopped working, and the reason is that the FDA stopped visiting different facilities and they stopped doing approvals. And so we weren't seeing that run up prior to the stock decision. I knew this by tracking my trades, and I was able to step away from that strategy and focus on others that were more successful. I am not specifically a day trader. Day trading is really risky. There are people who can do it, but it is very difficult. I like to swing trade. Most of my stock trades are between 3 and 30 day holds. And again, if you're looking for stock strategies to trade and you want to do all these things that I'm talking about, then I highly recommend that you check out our Discord and our Patreon group that is in the link in the description down below. If you join our group, you'll find lots and lots of value on all kinds of different plays and all kinds of different strategies. I never recommend a stock pick without a strategy attached to it. Ever. I truly want to help you to be successful in the stock market and help you to be one of those 10% that is successful. I appreciate all of you who support me by subscribing to the YouTube channel, and also those who are Patreon members and support me through that way. Please do some good with your profits. Let's all go make some killer money, and Raythoven out.